Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to be driving through New Kingston. We did a video previously on New Kingston, but we focused more on the buildings, and persons were asking for more information on the roads. So in this video we're going to focus on the different roads. So we're currently at the intersection of Grenada Crescent and Knutsford Boulevard. We are on Grenada Crescent, and the road in front of us, or at the intersection, is Knutsford Boulevard. All the roads in most of the roads in New Kingston are named after Caribbean countries. So Grenada Crescent, named after Grenada. Barbados Avenue, Trinidad Terrace, St. Lucia Avenue, Tobago Avenue, all named after Caribbean countries. Somebody asked, do they have a Jamaica Avenue? But no Jamaica Avenue in New Kingston, which is very weird. They should have one. Perhaps some of these roads should be renamed. I mean, New Kingston is the financial district of Jamaica, so you should have roads named after some of the financial stalwarts in Jamaica, like the Minister of Finance over the years. I guess that's for another day. Okay, we're now turning left onto St. Lucia Avenue, and straight ahead, that white building with the orange roof, that is the Spanish Court Hotel. And as we stated, New Kingston is the business capital, so you're going to find parking is an issue, so you have to pay most times to park. Okay, we're now turning left onto Tobago Avenue, and Tobago Avenue is famous for the John R. Wong supermarket, which is on the left. Actually, we're going to drive through so you can see. They have a lot of places where you have to pay to park. As the parking is, there's not a lot of public parking or free parking. So you find that a building would only have parking for its staff and probably a few for customers. So most people you have to pay, and they charge hourly or daily to use the parking lots. Okay, so we're going back onto St. Lucia Avenue now, and that building straight ahead is the Spanish Court Hotel. As the financial district of Jamaica, you're going to find a lot of hotels, so that when people come to do business, they're very close to wherever they're going. So New Kingston has a lot of hotels. Straight ahead, that blue building, or blue rails, that's the Pegasus Hotel, and the white building to the right of it, that's the Wyndham Hotel. Although it's closed for renovation now. Okay, we're now turning onto Barbados Avenue. Okay, if we were to go straight across, we'd go on to... Okay, let's go straight across. We're going to go on to Grenada Crescent, and we're crossing over Knutsford Boulevard. We're now going to turn left onto Grenada Crescent. Straight ahead, that building is the Sagicor Bank building. And on the right, we just passed the depot for the Knutsford Express bus. And you can see one of the buses coming up now. Knutsford Express connects Montego Bay to Kingston via bus service. Okay, we're now coming on to Dominica Drive. Notice the names, all Caribbean countries. Okay, we're now coming up on the intersection of Dominica Drive and Knutsford Boulevard. Okay, so we're now turning left onto Knutsford Boulevard. And we're now crossing over the intersection of Trinidad Terrace, actually. We'll turn on Trinidad Terrace. During the day, you can imagine how busy this area is. And unlike other places in Jamaica, if you park illegally here, they're going to tow you right away. So with those kind of restrictions, and you have to pay to park, and if you park wrong, you get towed or you get a ticket. You don't find a lot of buses or taxis in this area. Okay, we're on St. Lucia Avenue now. Most companies like banks, they have their head office in the New Kingston area. And a few government ministries have their head office in New Kingston as well. On the left, we just passed one of the parking lots where you have to pay to park. Okay, we just turn left onto Tobago Avenue. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.